How to remove audio from a video in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing video project. Once you are inside the editing workspace, tap on the video clip with audio on the timeline to select it. After selecting the clip, you will see a menu on the right side. Scroll down and select the extract audio option. Then delete the separate audio layer that appears on the timeline. Once you have deleted the audio, play the video to make sure the sound is gone. You can also mute the video sound by selecting the video in the timeline. Then from the menu, choose Mixer and drag the volume slider all the way down to 0 to mute or remove the audio from the selected video clips. When you are satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your video without audio. Now you know how to easily remove audio from a video in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.